Daylight savings is stupid. You guys fans of daylight savings? I know this time around we get an hour, but I'm just not a fan. I think we should just have the same time throughout the whole year. Preferably the one where we have more sunlight. That's just me.
So I got a smart and final run before I head to the restaurant, and I'll see you in 3, 2. What's up, everybody? It's Sunday, another day at Cultura Cafe. It's gonna be pretty chill today. I have to send in I have to send in our current menu for this place to a new POS system that we're gonna use. We're switching from from Square to ParsePay. I don't know if you care about that, but we're gonna save some money by doing that. And then Carl and I get off at 4, so hopefully we can get a little QT after, probably get an early dinner. But yeah, Sundays are pretty chill. Erico's here, like I showed earlier. He's gonna help me close up the shop. He's been moonlighting here for the past couple months. He's been a huge help. Not only does he partner with me at the podcast, but he works at Peace Love and Boba. He works here at Cultura Cafe. Shout out to you, brother. He's a huge fan of quilting, so if you can refer some pages to him, let him know at Erico Joseph something. I'll put it in the description. But yeah, he loves quilts. All right. Don't crush them, please. What the fuck is this, Erico? Stay here? Yeah. Ow! Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Top Yo Talk Podcast. No, I'm just playing. Got Erico here with me. So, just wanted to talk a little bit about MSG. For the longest time, we had to put up in California these signs that, MSG causes this, and that. We had to warn pregnant ladies, pregnant women, if we had it. This is like years back, but it's been proven. When I say proven, that means I listened to one person, and his name is Chef David Chang, that these are all based off of lies. So one thing that I'm not shy about is all of my restaurants proudly serve MSG.
And saying that you only have one reputable source.
Hey, but it's the motherfucking GOAT, David Chang.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I guess I'll look into the research of MSG.
No, like real talk. If you look into the history, I think this is like in the 70s or 80s. It's this doctor who used anecdotal evidence to prove that that MSG, monosodium glutamate, it like causes headaches, makes you sleepy. It was a kind of like a racist campaign towards Chinese restaurants. But like for example, when you eat a tomato, do you feel any type of way? Tomato has a high concentration of natural monosodium glutamate within it. What about when you eat Doritos? Hell MSG in that. Point proven. I'm right. He's wrong. Proudly serving MSG. Bye. Shut up. Can I help you, Yoshi? Can I help you?